This is a brand new 2013 Toyota Tundra. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a navigation system, heated seats, 12 strategically positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, steering wheel memory settings, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, variable valve timing, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.